Welcome back, everybody, to another episode of the Ultra Lord Show. With you forever, the Ultra Lord, your mother's favorite producer. So, guys, I want to just have a quick discussion. I want to just excuse my hair for being a mess and everything like that. But I want to have a quick discussion for the people who have been on my WhatsApp feed and my Facebook feed asking me questions about this whole Distrokid thing and how to get your music on all these sites and stuff like that. They keep asking me, can you put your music on if you're using downloaded beats? How is the copyright things and all that kind of stuff? So I want to just give a quick video or a deep dive on actually who is Distrokid for, or putting your music out on platforms for that. I always say you have to have a reason for doing anything. So if you have like set goals of you want to achieve X, Y, and Z, don't just do something because it's what you call, that's what other people are doing. It may be right for them, but it might not be right for you. So in terms of putting your music on Distrokid, like I said, ask what do you want to do? What are you trying to accomplish? You can't be doing something where you make a project, you make an album, whatever, you put it on a distributing service, and then you upload that same product on like SoundCloud and Audio Mac and YouTube and stuff that which are for free. You're not making money out of that. So if your goal was trying to make money, you obviously failed, because people who are gonna go buy it will opt to buy exactly the same thing and get it for free. So if your goal is to make money from music, which I feel like that's everybody's goal, but not their true goal, just like if they can, they will. But if your goal is to make as much money as possible, then you should be using Distrokid and stuff to get your music to the paying platforms, and you only distribute the full product or the full thing at the paying thing for a premium price or for a premium product, whatever. The second thing is to understand then how much money can you possibly get for the streams. Okay, so I'm on this website now, and it's showing all the different services that that you can get that Distrokid distributes to. So you have Napster, Tidal, Apple Music, Google Play, etc., etc. And it's showing you the amount of money or the amount of streams does it take to make $1. And if you want to make an average amount of money per year, which is like 25,000 a year, it shows all the numbers you need to hit on the far right inside. And the funny thing is YouTube, right, has the most, I would say the most users, because it's all platforms, either iOS or Android. Everyone's using YouTube, but it plays the least. And Napster is actually the most generous when it comes to for the amount of plays and everything like that. So now if you're trying to make money from your music, you gotta be like focusing on like maximum, try to get your plays on Napster and everything like that. But then you also gotta find out like who's using what in your area and how you advertising and stuff like that. Also, before I forget, the biggest thing that I know that's gonna play a big factor against like using Distrokid or using SoundCloud and stuff like that is also the beats. And because I know most rappers, especially the ones that come in my studio, they love using downloaded beats. Very seldom I find anybody who's coming with a full project where they made their own and stuff like that. I'm assuming if they're at that point, they can probably make their own beats. So they don't buy beats, they just take it from the internet, take it out. And what I've noticed with music trends and stuff like that, they will let you upload it, let you play it, and if they do hit you with a copyright, they will just, you know, ad revenue will go to the owner or whatever. But the really big songs that really go big, like if you've seen with like Pharrell and Robin Thicke and all those kind of guys, get sued because of how big the song is. So I also don't recommend putting your songs onto Distrokid if you are still using downloaded beats, if you're not there yet. If you can't get yourself a producer, or you are not producing your own beats, your own music, and you can't prove 100% that that's your music, I would not recommend using Distrokid. I also would not use it if your goal is to try and build a fan base as well. If you're still on that level where you're trying to at least get like a sturdy fan base, I will rather put my music on SoundCloud and Audio Mac, simply because of how lenient they are with the copyrights. and the fact that you can put quite a lot of music on there. The only problem that I have with SoundCloud, eventually you're gonna have to pay SoundCloud to keep your music on there because you're gonna run out of space like everybody has done. Hopefully this video has opened your eyes a little bit to see of like why I recommend going to use Distrokid and why shouldn't you use Distrokid. You guys find out for your goals what you want to achieve. I'm at that point where I'm trying to make money from my music right now, because I have invested time in learning, invested equipment, all that kind of stuff. So it's time for me to make money from that. And when I did couple of weeks ago, I removed all my music on all the sites and everything, and so I can just, when I focus on Distrokid or I focus on like the distribution, everything like that, it comes out on a stronger push, I guess. But anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. Please hit that like and subscribe button if you enjoy the content we're doing, and stay safe, guys. Peace.